Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the functions of family in Pakistan. Uh, as you know, the family institution plays the most important role in the economic, social, as well as emotional roles for its members. It is of paramount significance when it comes to producing the social identity, especially in the rural areas of Pakistan, where social identity is mostly associated with the ascribed status. It means that the status which we achieve by birth, हम जिस ख़ानदान में पैदा होते हैं उसका नाम जो है वो कैरी करते हैं और उसी की वजह से हमारी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट डिस्टिंक्शन या आइडेंटिटी प्रोड्यूस होती है जो फैमिली के साथ साथ जो है पूरे कम्युनिटी और पूरी सोसाइटी के अंदर जो है हमारे लिए एक आइडेंटिटी या शनाख्त का ज़रिया बनती है। Family provides us with the numerous social and psychological support mechanisms. We will be talking about these mechanisms one by one. Family, it regulates the sexual behavior of the adults by getting them married and by preventing the other unethical, immoral, illegal mechanisms of having intimate relationships in the society. And by regulating the sexual behavior, it gives birth to the family as a patroned institution, because otherwise that institute in the absence of that institution it would be almost impossible not only to regulate the sexual behavior but also to socialize the individuals, because in the absence of family institution an individual would be difficult to socialize. It would be based on either the formal institutions where there is lesser emotional bonding available and more formal functions are available for socializing the individual. So, family contributes in the continuity of human race by giving birth to new individuals as the member of society. So, family not only gives birth to new members of society but also protects them from getting vulnerable in the chaotic world. As you can see that this world is not completely safe and secure. So, when an individual is born, an individual is getting protection as well as social security from the family. Uh, in that case, where the family is not available, or maybe no family member is available, an individual is left to the society, it becomes very difficult to survive and s- be safely socialized in the society. So it provides them the shelter and save them from the heat stroke in the summer and freezing winters, or the atrocities of society or the deviant behavior of the criminals. So it also provides them with the clothing to protect them from the diseases and to other uh, kinds of fears which can damage their personality as a whole, and it protects the infants from dangers that can come to them. So here is the glimpse of a family or a mother which is trying to protect its protect her daughter uh, by giving them the polio vaccine. So family provides the emotional support to their infants. It protects them from getting isolated, and it also impedes people from hurting them in the wake of depression, and it showers them with the immense emotional support for every age and in different circumstances where the emotions are being usually hurt while living in the society. So family is the most powerful agent of socialization. It teaches them or imparting them the norms and values of society, teaches them about the morality, about the right and wrong, good and bad, and about the religion, that what is the purpose of our life, where do we come from, and how should we live in the society. So it teaches them the language to communicate, which is also a very important function, because if there is no language, there would not be an interaction. And if there is no interaction, it would be almost impossible for human beings to become sociable. So, to be social being, language plays a very important role. So it teaches them the patterns of clothing and eating, for example. And here is uh, how a teacher is trying to teach or trying to give lessons of language to the children. The family provides their children with the economic support when they are young. It provides them with the educational expenses as well as enough money for their sustainability in the society, and provides the social status in the society as well. So, family provides the children with the distinguished identity, and it arranges them for the marriage partners, as well as it helps them to understand the social contextuality where they can coexist even when they do not agree with the certain social standards.